Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigerian News and Entertainment, the #1 channel for celebrity gist and entertainment news happening around. For first-time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notification when a story drops. Top 5 audio signing in Nigerian music industry. Number 1 is Mado. The Nigerian music industry has been rocked with different sorts of audio signings in recent times. Popular American artist Akon said artists in Africa don't respect contracts, especially in Nigeria, as he said he once signed Davido and Wizkid, but it ended up being an audio signing. Here are the top 5 audio signings in Nigerian music industry. Number 1. Wizkid signing Mr. Eazi. In May 2016, Wizkid called out Mr. Eazi at a show and officially announced and welcomed him to Starboy Records artist. It was a stepping stone for Mr. Eazi, being a breakthrough year for him. But to our surprise, in 2017, Mr. Eazi came out and said he was never really signed under Starboy. He also said Wizkid told him he has no intention of making money off him and Wizkid only wanted to work as family. The question is, why will Wizkid call Mr. Eazi his artist without any form of contract? In Rude Boy's voice, na audio signing. Number 2, Davido signing Peruzzi. Peruzzi caught many people's eyes when he featured Davido on For Your Pocket remix. He later went on to write multiple songs for Davido. In November 2017, he was announced as an artist signed under Davido DMW Records. The information was backed with pictures which circulated online to confirm the signing. And later early this month, we got to know Peruzzi was never signed under DMW, after Peruzzi's former boss, King Patrick, came out to reveal to us that Peruzzi has an existing contract with his label Golden Boy Entertainment. This prompted Davido to deny signing Peruzzi in the first place, and what was shown and announced then was an audio signing. Number 3, Olamide signing Lighter. Lighter was spotted by Olamide at an event in December 2017. In January 2018, he was presented as YBNL artist with remix to his hit song Time featuring Olamide himself. Things later got messy between Olamide and Lighter, prompting Lighter to leave the label. But the most shocking secret that was revealed was Lighter never been signed under YBNL. Lighter later confirmed in an interview with us that he never signed a written contract with Olamide or YBNL, and Olamide only picked him up to help him with no contract. Number 4, Wizkid signing Ahmed. In December 2017, Ahmed was spotted by Wizkid and was given a chance to perform at his concert. Wizkid and the fans were thrilled and wowed by the talent of Ahmed, which later moved Wizkid to openly announce Ahmed as a Starboy artist, promises to help the boy grow. Till now, we still don't have any idea or information on Ahmed. He has not been spotted with Wizkid ever since then. When asked about Ahmed from Wizkid in 2018, he replied and said, "Education comes first." Hopefully we're going to hear from Ahmed again, but till then, the signing remains audio. Number 5, D'banj signing Olamide. Olamide started his career on a high note and he created his own label YBNL after leaving his former label Coded Tunes in 2012. He later drew D'banj's attention, who had an affiliation with the popular American artist Kanye West as at then. D'banj wanted Olamide on his newly formed label DB Records with his brother K-Switch. Olamide was frequently spotted with D'banj and they even go to shows together. It was later reported that D'banj had signed Olamide with K-Switch, confirming the news by welcoming Olamide to DB Records via tweet. Olamide later denied signing for DB Records, though multiple sources said Olamide wasn't comfortable with the terms given to him. Either way, na still audio signing. So guys, does contract really exist in Nigerian music? Which of these audio signings shock you the most? Let's hear from you. Until next time guys, stay blessed.